Hey guys, welcome to this brief weather analysis. Basically, for severe weather threats starting today, ongoing, um, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. So we got the infrared imagery, satellite imagery. There's ongoing storms in northwest Kansas and um, Nebraska over here. Let's see. Let's go to the HRRR. We're on the 0Z model. We'll just do it through the run here. And as you can see, there's currently storms ongoing. These will persist into the night and congeal into a big convective mess and will weaken. And for the next event in southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri corridor area, mainly for Iowa, but all right, let me change to a sec. Yeah, let's actually go. Let's run back and check out the dew points. As you can see here, was this about 12Z, so it was at around 8 in the morning, I think. As this rises, the boundary right here. Let's see, we're 41 in now. So I'm probably have to go to 18Z. Yeah, let's go to 18Z real quick. As you can see, the clear. Look at that dry air right next to that moist air. That's what's basically setting off the thunderstorms. You can see storms just eat that dew point right up, but then it just shoots back up into almost 70s for Saturday. But we'll dive deep into Friday real quick. All right, let's go into the Storm Prediction Center, and this just came out like 10 minutes ago, I think. Uh, this just came out 10 minutes ago. There was a dual 10% hatched risk, but both of them got well. There's only one 10% hatch risk. It was up here, in the northern end. Um, it was there probably for the triple point. It was closer to the triple point, which basically is like the kinematics in the atmosphere, which is like turning with height, basically. The wind bimodal threat is still there, higher down south in the Oklahoma, Texas area. Same with hail. There's actually a hatched. Oh, that looks so weird. Oh my god. Um, I don't know if I've. That's very. I haven't seen that a lot. A hatched risk for hail still, but it's not a 30%. But yeah, for day two, we got a huge marginal extending pretty much up from the north central U.S. Down to the deep south here, or the mid south, and the slight risk that's just smaller around from the Midwest to the Central Plains kind of area. And then we have the enhanced threat here, which basically is in mostly Iowa, some Missouri, even northeast Kansas and eastern Nebraska, when storms are supposed to fire around the Lincoln Omaha area, points east. The tornado threat is a 10% hatched. As you see on the HRRR, let me pull up. Okay, so this is already 18Z, so this is in the morning on Tuesday, that convection, and then it clears out, which basically destabilizes the air. So if we go to convective surface based, okay, you can see around 1 to 2,000 joules per kilogram out here, but those storms quickly eat it up. So let's just go back to simulated, and as you can see here, storms kind of fire around the Lincoln, Omaha area, and then just keeps chugging on, as you can see. Some of them are pretty discreet. Yeah, yeah. And then, I don't know, this has been showing for quite a few models, but we got to watch this just in case if this does come to fruition. On the back side of this, as it lifts more northeastward, on the back side, more cells can form horizontally westward and looks more dangerous and slightly more discreet. So that could produce some tornadoes near the I-35 corridor. And then as that weakens, you can kind of see some just warm, moist showers rising up, but we don't have all the models for that yet. 0Z is at 47, so we'll just check that out, see if you can see. Okay, yeah. All right. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Okay, so this run is way different. You still got the discrete mode up here, but now this is showing like cells heading this. They actually might extend the enhance all the way down here tomorrow morning, but we'll see. They might extend it back into the Kansas City. We'll just see how the 6Z HRRR pans out later tonight. But as you can see here, several cells have fired along the line. So one of them heading into Kansas City here. That's actually pretty concerning. Let's just look at the supercell composite, which is basically takes all the parameters, favorability area for supercells. And yeah, as you can see here, we're about 10, we're about what, like 8 to 15, 16 some areas. So yeah, that's pretty severe if you ask me. I'll do the significant tornado parameter. Basically the same things, but as you can see here, up in southern Iowa, it rises to like what, 5, 6? Yeah, around there. But down here, I mean, oh my god. So there's small areas of like over 10. So basically off the charts. We mostly got an area up to 4 to 6, 7. I don't even know what that is, but anyways, let's go back to the SPC here. We'll see if it's worth extending it down there. Hatch risk starts at 10%. So, anyways, the wind, it's not looking like it's gonna be too bad. Although that convective, I don't know, on the HRRR, kind of looks like it's gonna be, kind of a windy mess. It's kind of looking like. I don't really know what I'm saying, but basically what I'm trying to say is that there's a chance tomorrow. I don't think this is going to go moderate at all, but there's a chance tomorrow that they could put a small 30%. I doubt it'll be hatched, but I think they might put a 30%. And for hail, they got a huge hatched that goes all the way down to Dallas and all the way up towards near Sioux City, like basically at Sioux City, just right south of Sioux City. But yeah, they got a big 30% in this general area down from Kansas City up to Sioux City. I think I don't know what just happened. I think that happens every once in a while, but the 30% just out of west of Des Moines, but in towns like Omaha, Lincoln, you got Creston, Atlantic over here. Can't really think of any other. You got like Red Oak, Maryville over here, St. Joseph right here. Other big towns in that 30% right there. So, yeah. Anyways, let's look back on the models here. Let's see. Yeah, this should be plenty loaded in enough. Let's go back to simulated reflectivity. Storms on the 0Z model showing just firing basically on top of Omaha and then goes, ooh. Okay. So, to me, it looks like these cells that fire up will not persist too long. Obviously, I can't confirm that, but looks like the further north, the higher, like, it'll stay. But, I mean, look at this. I mean, what is this, 0Z? Let's see. I think 0Z's what, like 10 o'clock at night, I think? Something like that. It might be 8 o'clock, actually. Yeah, 0Z's around 8 o'clock. Man, I look at these storms. They're going strong. Southwest Iowa and the south central Iowa. I mean, look at that. Huge stretch. Kind of convective mess, but definitely severe for sure. I'd definitely be worried about that. generally, hold on. Yeah, like I was saying, I generally watch out and I'd say around this corridor right here. That's literally where pretty much where the SBC applied. Here, let me just go back here. You can basically see that's basically where they bam right there. That's basically what they thought too. Although if the model runs from now to um, before the storm hits, if model runs keep showing these down here, we definitely could be seeing um, an enhanced threat somewhat like this, I'd say. Something like that. And I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, this happens a lot every time enhanced are over my house, which basically this is like a backyard chase for me, which is pretty cool, and it's an enhanced, so I'm definitely chasing it. Hopefully that'll be fun. More videos for you guys, stuff like that. But yeah, I'll show you guys day 3 on Saturday, which is the 27th, and some of you guys might know, something around this region. But yeah, um, basically, we got. Let me zoom in here again. We got a huge slight risk all the way from northern Michigan, basically the peninsula, all the way down to southern Texas. And then we have the little enhanced, well, it's not very little, but the enhanced risk that stretches almost to Iowa, but kind of basically north, west Missouri, basically through most of Kansas, a lot of Oklahoma, and some parts of northern Texas. I don't know too much on this threat for the HRRR, like even the NAM 3 kilometer, but I'll have to do some, let me see if I can. Alright, so I just checked and you cannot see anything with the last run. But yeah, let's look at this. So for this, we got a hatched that extends all the way, basically the same thing, but um, just a little bit more north into the slight regions. It was closer to 30%, and it's still more likely. So you got the hatched up in. Oh, let me zoom a little bit more. Oh wait. Okay, sorry. I didn't know you could do that. I'm kind of learning this, but sorry, doing this on the go. As you can see here, they got the hatched area in southwest Iowa, kind of on the within. It's basically like, what is that? Like a 30-mile radius. Yeah, like a 30-mile radius outside the 30%. That's basically in the hatched. Besides down here, and kind of up here, but yeah. And then day 4. Something really interesting about this is that like this front. I mean, technically there's gonna be 2 low pressure storms. The first one is gonna cause today and Friday, and I think there's gonna be a different one causing Saturday and Sunday. So, yeah. But as you can see here, pretty much almost in the same areas as you can see. Holy crap, that was bad. I guess slightly to the east a little more. Well, we're gonna see how this looks tomorrow. It'll be pretty interesting, since it's gonna be day 3. So we'll have somewhat of what it's gonna look like. But yeah, I mean, you got the same towns like Kansas City. I don't even know what that is. Never heard of that town, but you got Des Moines in there again. You got Tulsa. Springfield's been in there. Big cities like that. And of course, the smaller cities and stuff. Well, something quick I want to show you guys. Here's the main Storm Prediction Center view. There's the tornado watches that we can actually check. Severe threat continues across. Weather watch 134. Additional development possible over the next couple hours. So I don't know when this is put out, but oh, you know, oh, sorry, that's a mesoscale discussion. I didn't mean to look at a mesoscale discussion. Yeah, those basically are like future tornado watches and severe thunderstorm watches. Um, let's let's just click on the watch. So this is the first one that was put out. Oh dang! Holy crap! Dang. Tornadoes moderate. EF2 tornadoes moderate. Severe wind high. 65 knot wind moderate. Severe hail high. I think there's a very high. Yeah, there's a very high. It's like blue. Dang, I forgot about that. I remember seeing that on the March 31st. 31st. But yeah, another thing I like going to is the probabilities, and it kind of tells you. Moderate, 60% of two or more tornadoes, and kind of things like that. Let's just head back here. Let's look at the thunderstorm outlook. So this is from this is from 4Z, which is quite a few hours from now, up to 12Z. So like up to like 8 a.m. Yeah, and you can see here that morning convection for thunderstorms. Yeah, 70%. I'm in it, so it's this region right here. But yeah, look at that. It's just the morning convection before the calm. Basically, not really calm before the storm. That's really like in the afternoon, but hasn't happened yet, you know. But yeah, basically that's all I want to say, and hope you guys enjoy the video and more videos to come. Anyways, see ya.